One of the applications of a silent condensation is ring closure followed by ring contraction. Here we took diester. At the ends of this compound is the ester functional group. Two sodium atoms will react free radically to produce COETONA and OETONA, and two free radicals are produced at carbon number 1 and carbon number 6. Both these free radicals will react with each other to close the ring, producing ONaOET at these carbon atoms. Now remove two sodium ethoxide molecules here, creating a diketone. Again, two sodium free radicals will react with these ketonic functional groups, creating ONA here and two free radicals here in the ring. These two free radicals will react with each other to form unsaturation between these two ONA functional groups. Two TMSCl, mesitylene chloride molecules, will replace these sodiums and creating OTMS. This will activate the ring for further hydrolysis, and hydrolysis will occur, creating two OH functional groups with this unsaturation. This type of compound with unsaturation and two OH functional groups on adjacent carbon atoms are unsaturated. These will be tautomerized to create a ketonic functional group and alpha OH functional group. This type of compound with alpha hydroxy ketone are acylons, and these are the required product. Now up till this was the acylon condensation. It will be further this compound will further be used for the contraction of this ring. How will it occur? It will occur with this OET. This OET will come from sodium ethoxide. It will attack at this ketonic functional group. This ketonic functional group will create OET and O negative. Now again this negative charge is shifted between carbon and oxygen, creating a double bond, and this bond between carbon number 1 and carbon number 6, it will be broken, creating a negative charge at carbon number 6. It will take this proton, creating alcoholic functional group, which rearranges or oxidized to aldehyde functional group. Here we have created aldehydic functional group, and here it is active methylene group or active hydrogens. Now aldol condensation will occur at this molecule. OET from this OET, sodium OET, will accept this proton and leaving a negative charge here at this carbon atom. This negative charge at this carbon atom, this will attack at this carbonyl functional group and creating this structure. Again negative charge on O is shifted between carbon and oxygen, and H negative is removed. Here we got ketonic functional group and esteric functional group with contraction of the ring. Thank you.